All fruits are good for our health, but what most people may not know is that the nutrients of many fruits are concentrated in one part that we don't eat, it's the shell. The fibers in the apple peels improve bowel movements and have a laxative effect as well. Its regular consumption has been linked to lower levels of cholesterol and blood sugar. Another unknown benefit of apple peels is its ability to eliminate water retention and bloating, and fluid retention can be effectively treated with apple peels. This is the case with apple fruit. It's delicious, but most of its beneficial properties lie in crusts, and apple peel contains pectin, a type of fiber that turns into gel in your gut and helps your body shed fat. Apples are rich in potassium, which helps to reduce sodium levels in the body and increase urine production. Water retention and bloating may be caused by diseases or bad eating habits such as excessive consumption of salt and sodium. Here's a very simple recipe to reduce water retention, and it is most common in the feet, ankles and legs, although it can happen anywhere on the body, including the face. Now break one apple and put the apple peel in about 250 milliliters of water and let it boil, then soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it cools down, drink it. It is best to drink this tea 3 times a day in order to see the best results.